This is Tim Albright with AVNation with the road to InfoComm. InfoComm 2026 happens June 17th through the 19th in Las Vegas, Nevada. And with us to talk about Epiphan in their booth is my good friend Lex Evans. Welcome, ma'am.
Hello, hello.
Good to see you. You guys are over in Central Hall, C8719, C8719. Lex, you and Epiphan have been all over. Everywhere that I turn, you've been to a trade show somewhere or other. So this time around at InfoComm, what will we find in the Epiphan booth?
Yeah, so we have some really exciting products and software we're showing off this year. Of course, we're going to have our infamous Pearl fleet there, but we're also going to be showcasing our PTZ camera, the EC20. Every product we create is a direct result of our customer feedback on like what pains they're experiencing in their environments and workflows. So think reducing chances of failure, reducing complexity for staff and faculty, anticipating problems, solving them remotely. And then along with the trends and overarching issues we see in our industry, and the EC20 is no exception to that. So we created the first camera designed specifically for lecture capture. So it powers up with a single cable and is ready out of the box to be a part of our fleet management. And it's really exciting. We're already seeing it included in several classroom refreshes across several universities. So that's been really exciting. And so that's going to be the new big hitter this year for us.
So talk for a second, because one of the things that I know Epiphan from is the streaming capabilities. And certainly in higher education, you guys are really, really huge there. But beyond higher education, what are some of the other applications that people could possibly use your Epiphan system for?
Yeah, so we're kind of like, I feel like we have our tentacles in like every vertical you can imagine. We're in a government. It was actually funny. My husband works in government, and ironically, we found out afterwards he does have an EC20 in their conference room. So that was kind of crazy. Sorry, a Pearl in his conference room. But we're in government, we're in courtrooms, we're in corporate for like company-wide events or town halls and things like that. So the use case is really all over. We also have some event customers who go out and then they work at conferences or at live events of some sort, and then they're able to use that and be able to cut down on time and on staff just to be able to edit almost live, the video almost live, and be able to remotely manage so they don't have to have as much people. So yeah, we're really like it all over, I feel like.
Very cool. All right. Again, C8719, C8719 is where we'll find you, is where we'll find Epiphan. Lex, not everybody's going to InfoComm. So if they are not going and they want to follow along with everything that Epiphan is talking about that week, how do they do that?
So if you want to connect with us, you can go directly to epiphan.com, and there's lots of different options to connect with us there, or you can reach out directly to me at Lex Evans on LinkedIn or lexevans@epiphan.com, and I'd be happy to chat and guide you to wherever you need to go to help with whatever questions and answers that you need.
All right, very cool. Lex Evans from Epiphan. We'll see her at InfoComm. For us, for AVNation, go by our website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv. And you can follow along as we also head to Las Vegas for InfoComm 2026, June 17th through the 19th. All that and more at avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.